G'day viewers. When you're putting your switching program together, you've got to do a site inspection on all the equipment. Come into your switch room, make sure that you've got all of your handles for all of your equipment. You don't want to turn up halfway through a switching program and then find you've got no tools to be able to do the job. When you start your switching, go to your board, make sure all your tools are here. You will easily see if anything is missing, and make sure you've got everything on this board before you start. When you finish your job, make sure you come back to the board, check that everything is there before you leave the sub. Quite often you'll find that something's missing, wonder where it is, and it's in the cabinet that you were switching. If you rack something out, open the board, handle was left on the floor or something like that. So check your board when you start, check your board when you're finished. If you've got a shadow board like this, then you can see if anything is missing. And you want to find that, make sure you've got it, put it back on the board before you start your work. So we've had a look around to find it. And here we find it up here. Now, an issue with putting things on top of boards. There was a case where pieces were left on top of the board, leads were there, a bloke was going around trying to find some equipment, came to a board, opened up the board, it's just a low voltage board, but sitting on top there with the leads, he opened up the board, the leads fell through, made contact and flashed. A month later, he died due to the burns that he sustained from that. So don't put things on top of a board, or if you're going to open a board, make sure there's nothing on top that's going to be disturbed when you open it and then fall down inside. Okay guys, hope it helps. See you tomorrow.